What challenges did you face in building this type of business? Ito kasi heavily reliant on natural resources. So medyo mabagal yung pag-scale in terms of operation. So ano yung mga challenges na na-encounter nyo in building this and making this an international brand?
Ang nahirapan ako una talaga is to take the materials kasi ang mga materials na ito, yung mga kahoy na ito, tumutubo lang ito sa cliff. So at that time, ako pag talaga mismo ang umaakyat doon, I have to teach them, ito siya nga kahoy na to, itong ganito. So I have to go. It was not easy for me. I was around 105 kilo at that time and I was diabetic, I was high blood pressure, I had fatty liver, I had asthma, and I have depression. My depression was worse. But I told you it's a question of confidence and trust to yourself. So, umaakyat ako doon kasama sa bundok. Doon ako nahihirapan talaga nung una. Pero, syempre, if you want to do it, it's easy.
And that differentiates you from other people, especially entrepreneurs, because karamihan sa atin at 60 years old, gusto natin mag-retire. In fact, yung iba, early retirement nga at 50, nag-retire na. Pero si Tita Vero, talagang inaakyat pa yung bundok para kumuha ng supply. Saan ka maghahanap niyan?
Tsaka kasi pag may purpose ka talaga, madali lang.